morning, everyone. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and welcome to St. Patrick's in South Tampa. We are at the craft fair. I am going to take you around and let's check it out, and then I will stop in at my booth as well, and I hope that you enjoy. Let's get going. Okay, so we are at the booth. We have a full room today. I'm just going to do a quick sweep. See everybody here. Looking so pretty. All the beaded pins. All the goodies. Let me not make you dizzy. But here is Jackie. He's hanging out at the booth, paying attention, having a good time. I got albums set up on these stands. I got some packages here, cozy at home kind of thing, with a little socks and popcorn and chocolates. I got some calendars for 2025. Got all my cards, Christmas cards that are all packaged up there. Gift card holders, a mix of them. Then I've got tags right there. I've got more albums, little folios, all handmade, bookmarks. We've got notepads. We have nail files. I have prayer journals right there with prayer cards in them. We've got the little Christmas tree hanging up there to bring some height to the booth. We've got some more notebook packs right there with pens. And here's all the candy goodies, stocking stuffers. We've got the lip balm on the top, and then the chocolate Ghirardellis there. And then, what are those? The Lindor chocolates there in the little purses, just showing people that there is chocolate inside of there and there. We've got some little doggy treats here. We've got our notepad holders right there. And then we have more albums up here. Again, to bring some height to the table. And then letting people know that these are photo memory books. And I went ahead and brought an example. I think that's important. So it of course has photos in it so people can see. And then again, some more folios, albums here for folks. So that is the booth. I'm going to go ahead and walk around myself and see what everyone else has brought today, because I have not been able to do that, but it's starting to get a little busy, so it's lovely here. Beautiful day in Florida, and thank you for joining, everyone. There is the booth. I will do some close-up photos after this as well. Happy scrapping, you all. Bye.